Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay again, and this is video number 20 of our series where we are building movie rating application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Micro RM Dapper, and ChatGPT as our coding assistant. Right. In this video, we are going to look into approval process of content and cast. We'll start with content first. Right. So let me show you what I did in the background. So now we will log in as admin because we have already provided facility to help desk guy to create and edit content. I am logging as a admin. Now if I log in as an admin, I will be directly landed to dashboard page, right? So I did what I did in the background. Let me show you that. I created this dashboard repository where we will have the code to get all dashboard data, right? Then I created the in the home controller, I created the dashboard method, and I also created the blank dashboard view as of now. Let me show you that also over here. Right now, we will start building from here. Right. So let's move to the prompt now. So let me bring the prompt on the screen. Okay. So here I am saying to ChatGPT that let's work on approval process for contents created. Let's have following dashboard for admin. This that displays count of approvals pending. Basically we have approval for two things: content and content cast, right? Sorry, only cast, right? So let's have a dedicated I dashboard repository and dashboard repository classes method get dashboard data, which will have user id and role as a input, right? Because we might use the same dashboard for helpless also, where we will be displaying different information than the admin, right? And then let's start with the beginning. As a beginning, just put down two cards with count that says pending content approval count and pending cast approval count, right? Clicking on this, any one of the count, should redirect us to the list of unapproved either content or cast, right? That's what I am saying. And also I'm saying that you can use the edit view models that we use in edit similar layout also, right, to display this information with one button over there that will say approve, right, by the admin. Right, you can pause the video and read out this entire prompt. Right. And at the last, I mean, also informing that I have done the dashboard. I have created the dashboard method in home controller. Also on login, we are checking if the user is admin, then we are redirecting to dashboard. Otherwise, we'll redirect to normal home page. Right. So let me copy this, go to ChatGPT and push this content, push this prompt basically. Just give me a moment. Okay, let me bring it on screen. Okay, so let's put this across. And as of now, we are just targeting to display count in this video. We'll just display the counts. So let's say what ChatGPT has to say. I have pushed the prompt. Wait and watch. So ChatGPT has generated the response. Let's take a look. Let's just quickly take a look. First is created a store procedure. Okay, it is passing user ID and role name. Okay, user ID would be required. I don't know what it is doing with role, but that's okay. We'll take that. Then it is taking count where is active is equal to 1 and is approved is equal to 0. Yeah, okay, this is correct. This is also correct. Okay. Now based on unapproved VM. Okay, content count, cast count. This is good. Unapproved, unapproved. Hmm. Okay. Okay, I think this seems good. Let's go ahead and implement this. So first thing is to copy the store procedure. Let me bring the SSMS. Let's say control N. Okay, so I just created the store procedure. Okay, I don't know why it has taken this, but let's keep it as of now. I think this is not required. This condition, what I am thinking, is not required. Let me remove that. Okay, great. Let's try to even get the count. Let's say, let's taste this once. User ID would be 1 and this would be admin. Let's say what count it gives. Okay, 2 and 0. Yeah, correct. This is, so this is good. So let's move to next. So we have unapproved VM, content count and cast count. Let's see, we already have this unapproved VM, content count and cast count. This is good. Then we have it in the dashboard VM. We have it as a property. Okay, it is unapproved, but we have count. But let me make it this way only. Let's make this so that we don't have to change lot of code. Oh, my bad. Okay, so let's move to next infra code. Okay, infra code we already have this, no worries. We'll have to take just the repository code. So we'll go over here and we'll take this. So we'll go to in iDashboard repository. We already have get data dashboard. Over here we'll go and we'll copy paste. We'll replace this method. So dynamic parameter. Okay, this has to be. Okay, let me go to quickly other repository and get the code from for the connection string retrieval. So let me take any, let me go to rule. And here what we are doing, okay, we are doing something like this. So we will take this. Okay, so this looks good. Now this should not actually, no, this is not good actually. Let me see what it has given. Ideally this it should be written dashboard VM, not this. Okay, so it should not return result. Ideally, it should have written dashboard VM dashboard is equal to new dashboard, and we have that property as you know dashboard dot, yeah, dashboard has unapproved is equal to result. This is what we should be doing, and we should be returning dashboard, not this. Let me stop this. That's why I was thinking why it is taking too much of time in reflecting the code. Let me do this dashboard, and let me correct this dashboard. So this is good. And let me go I dashboard. What is the problem over here? Yeah, we are returning dashboard VM. We are returning dashboard VM. Yeah, what is the problem? User ID, role name. Okay, this is good. Get dashboard data. It should be okay. Not a problem. Okay, and let's move to the next step. So this is done. Yeah, we will have to register this time because it's a new repository we have built. So we'll go to program.cs. We'll put it down over here. Just save it. Let's move to next step. And okay, so let's take this get method and this is supposed to be in home controller, right? So let's go to home controller and let's replace this method actually. Okay, great. And since we haven't added it, so let me do this also. Let me take this also. So let's replace this. So we'll have to remove a zinc from here. Unapproved is equal to counts. What is the problem over here? No, this is not. Unapproved is equal to count. Now count is actually returning already this. So we'll not say, we'll take this actually directly. We don't need this where. We'll take this and we will return counts. Okay. So this looks good. This is good. Now let's move to next step. So this is good. Let me quickly check it. Yeah, okay. And now on the dashboard VM, let me copy this. Let's go to dashboard CSHTML. Let's just copy paste this. Again, we will have to change this. So this is good. Right, this is good, but we will have to have this not model dot unapproved dot. Yeah, this is correct only. Yeah, model dot. Let me check on this. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. On the chat GPT, it has given us to disable the. Uh, Ideally this should also have worked, but somehow it was showing error. So what I did, we just need to display the count, right? So I just added model.unapproved.content count and model.unapproved to cast count, right? And although it is showing error, this is working. So let me run this and show you. So let me log in as admin now. Okay, so great. The cards are coming, pending content approvals and pending cast approvals. This is 2 count and this is 0. So ChatGPT has given us, a very nice card design, but they are too big, but that's okay. We'll keep it as of now. Right. So we are done with displaying the unapproved list of content and cast. Cast currently we don't have any, so it is 0. Right. So now in the next video, what we'll be doing, clicking on this, we will be listing the all these unapproved cast with approve button, right? That we will do it in next video. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.